sensory classroom this term, we've been learning on the move as part of my sensory curriculum, Year C, and that includes all about exercise and being healthy. I couldn't find a story that was suitable for my PMLD learners because exercise and being healthy looks really different for them. So, as always, I made my own. This is my Being Healthy sensory story, and it's suitable for PMLD learners. As always, it starts with a little bit of information about what a sensory story is and how to tell a sensory story. And it has the sensory menu of what actions and what resources to use to make it sensory. Let's get started. I feel the warm sun on my face. Now there's a few different resources that I used for this one. First of all is this fan. It's amazing for anything sun or fire related. I feel the warm sun on my face. Or I feel the warm sun on my face. Or I feel the warm sun on my face. Or I feel the warm sun on my face. So what we did is we used all 4 resources and rotated them around all of the children so they could have a turn with everything. Rhythmic breathing, in and out. Got a little hand pump. Rhythmic breathing, in and out. And you can feel the air pushing in and out. I stretch my fingers and wiggle my toes. I stretch my fingers and wiggle my toes. They were really motivated by this one and were putting their hands and stretching and reaching towards it. It's really lovely. I am curious and learning. For this one, we got a load of sensory lights and the children were tracking left and right. I am curious and learning. I feel grounded in my seat. Need a blanket or a weighted lap blanket for this one. Resting it on your lap. I feel grounded in my seat. I squeeze fresh fruits, ripe and ready. Now you can do food tasting if your learners can, but if they are peg-fed like mine, I put some soap scents onto cotton wool and sealed it in spice jars for my learners to enjoy the smell of fresh fruits. They really liked this one. I breathe in the scent of fresh herbs. Again, you could have the actual fresh herbs for them to feel and taste and smell, or you could do what we did and use herb jars to smell. Garlic. I taste drops of water on my tongue. Got a little pipette. You can fill it with water and then drop, drop. Or you could drop on their hand if they're not allowed to have anything oral. I taste drops of water on my tongue. I listen to nature's music. And then there's a QR code here which takes you straight to some bird song. And we recorded this onto a sound button. I listen to nature's music. I know that being healthy means caring for all parts of me. Give it nice squeezes. I know that being healthy means caring for all parts of me. I hope you can see that this is an incredibly accessible way of learning about being healthy for all learners. If you would like access to this story or any others in my collection, then you could head to the link in the description below or on my Amazon bookstore.